What's going on, guys? It's Tony here from Ralda's Detail. So today we have these two beautiful twins. Well, they are not identical, but yeah, as you guys can see, this one here is a red one, that one there is a black one, but they look really nice. Both of them are ProMaster Series 2016, if I'm not wrong, right? Okay, so we are here with the owner of this one here. His name is Oberk, and I want to ask you, what do you think about your mobile detail setup so far?
Hey, my friends from YouTube. I'm very happy. I'm very excited about it for this setup, my first setup. So I'm really excited about it. So I recommended this guy. This guy did an amazing job. Amazing job.
Thank you so much.
I love this setup, and I'm excited to start working detailing mobile. So
Awesome. Thank you so much, Oberk. I really appreciate that. So as you guys saw right there, guys, I think this is a 5-star review, if I'm not wrong. Is it? It is.
I give you 5.
Oh, you're gonna give me 5.
Sure.
Okay, sounds good. All right, but anyways, guys, like I said, this setup is looking really nice. This is the, I think it's number 4 with all our new bottle holders, with our brush holders. I mean, this thing is looking really nice. Let's move on to this side, and if you guys want to look how, just to have a comparison here, so you guys can decide what color do you guys want. Either it's gonna be black, red, and blue, either color. We can have the toolbox, it can be blue, and as well the little totes on top, it can be blue as well. So you decide right there, that one or this one. You guys let me know. Once you guys call me, let me know what colors do you want. So anyways, Roy, here we have our pad holder, polisher holder, generator slide out. This one here is your gallon size holder and pump sprayer holder. Right here you have a space for your carpet extractor, a steamer, you name it. Buckets, they can go on the back section. We have our 30 amp outlet, vacuum, predator. And on the other side, oh, let me talk about this right here. This polisher holder is really nice because it's designed for mobile detailers. Since we cannot keep too many of these ones and we don't want to bring everything with us, this one here is designed to have many different colors of pads, so that way you can just pull it, twist it, and pull it out. Really nice right there. So we have our bucket filler over here. Let's move on to the other side now. On this side, guys, we have our Predator 3500, and it's set on a nice generator slide out, capable to hold 500 pounds. Really nice. We have extra space up here for, it can be a cooler or anything like that, or more products, whatever. But we have the Crenslaw 1622 TS, really nice pressure washer, and our 65-gallon water tank. So once again, guys, this video is kinda short and sweet. All right, guys, this is gonna be it on this one. Once again, we just want to show you guys what we got going on, what we're working on, and now we are going straight to do a training, because we're gonna be doing a training with Oberk for our paint correction and ceramic coating. So let's do it, guys. If you guys like videos like this, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Listo.